Overall experience exceptionally very nice.
Experience that I received was really wonderful, and it was something extraordinary. That's what I want to say over here.
The end result has we've been very happy with what we see.
Asian Paints as a brand, everybody knows them really well for their painting solutions, and them getting into bathrooms was something really new and unique, and we were quite excited when we approached them to do up our bathrooms in our flat. The executive Sidra who came to our place was really good.
Actually, initially my plan was to do only one bathroom, but the second and third bathroom I gave mainly because of the good supervision and proper execution.
The accessories, everything that was used has been top notch.
When we finally saw the output of what was delivered by Bathsense, was really nice. The workmanship was really good.
You won't find anything like this in Trivandrum or in Kerala, in fact. It's going to be excellent. That is my guarantee, and I'm pretty sure you will also experience the same.